and welcome to my kitchen. Day by day, the temperature is getting lower and lower. And at cold night, all I want is a hot bowl of soup. My all-time favorite soup is Olive Garden's chicken and gnocchi soup. Now, Olive Garden is way too far from my house, and that's why I created this recipe which tastes exactly like theirs. So that's what we are going to make today. For this recipe, you will need butter, flour, chicken broth, gnocchi, boneless chicken, half and half, celery, carrots, spinach, salt, black pepper powder, onion powder, nutmeg powder, garlic powder. Now, if you want your soup to taste exactly like Olive Garden's, then use canned chicken. I did make it with the regular boneless chicken, but the texture and taste didn't taste like Olive Garden's. So, if you want exactly their taste, then use the canned chicken. And if you don't care about it, then you can use any boneless chicken. And if you don't have half and half, all you need is a cream and a milk and use equal quantity of it. And that's all is half and half milk and half cream. Okay? Now let's start by adding butter to the pan. Now we'll go ahead and add our flour. Now you want to cook the flour real good because you don't want that raw flour taste in your soup, right? So cook it a little longer. When you feel that flour is cooked and there is no more raw taste to it, the easy way is when it starts bubbling. That's when you know the flour is cooked. So this is cooked now. We'll add celery to it and cook it little. Now you can also add celery to the butter and then the flour, but I like to do it this way. The celery is cooked enough. Now we're going to go ahead and add our broth. This needs to be quick. Get your whisk and start whisking. Stir it good so that our flour and butter mixes good. Now I'm going to add carrots here and spinach. Now let the spinach and carrot cook. You want to simmer it a little. Once this starts simmering, we'll go ahead and add our gnocchi. Now be careful when you add in gnocchi. It will splash on you and it is super hot. If you're wondering the temperature, it's medium. Now you will know that the gnocchis are cooked when they start coming to the surface. Now you will see they all are at the surface. That means we are ready to add our next ingredients. The gnocchis are cooked. So we'll go ahead and add our chicken. Be careful again. Don't splash over you. Now you don't want to cook the canned chicken much, but if you're using the raw chicken, then you want to add it in the beginning when we added the carrot and spinach. That's the time when you will add your raw chicken, and you're going to use the boneless chicken, okay? So you will add that then and cook it. Now we'll go and add our salt to this. Once this start bubbling, we'll go ahead and add our half and half. So here is our half and half. Add that. Mix it and now let it simmer again. Now we'll go ahead and add our seasoning. Now from this you can skip any seasoning, just don't skip the nutmeg powder. That's the important seasoning for this soup. If you want it to taste exactly like Olive Garden, you have to add the nutmeg powder. Okay, so this goes in. Give it a stir. Now here is our soup ready. You see that? Exactly like Olive Garden's. Ready to serve. Here you go. Olive Garden's chicken and gnocchi soup at home. Ready in just few minutes. Serve it with the garlic sticks or as it is and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. If there is a recipe you would like to see me make, leave it in the comment. and your suggestion may be the next video. Okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.